Hi guys, welcome back. In this video it is December 2019, so happy holidays to all of you out there. I decided to make this video because I have been using my passion planner. This is the one I bought in that flash sale in the middle of the year 2019. So the first half of this planner is like empty, okay, and the second half I've been using it. Here is December, and then I have all this like front, the first half that is just empty. And I paid good money for this guy, so I want to be able to keep using it into 2020. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to alter it so I can continue using this 2019 planner, passion planner, for 2020 up until obviously I hit, what month did I start? Oh, was it August? Yes, August. So I will be using some whiteout, glue sticks, some writing utensils, some writing stuff, and markers, and some scissors. And I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Why? Well, I already told you why, but how. Okay, so let's go into January. This is my January. I want to apologize because my usual little do-it-yourself tripod that I use for recording, I don't know where it is. So I'm using my hand. This video might be shaky. I apologize. So this is January 2019. It's not going to work because I need January of 2020. This year for January 2020, the 1st actually starts on a Wednesday. Okay? And the 31st ends on a Friday. So I already marked these two boxes that I don't need. I mean, I need them, but not. This one needs to be white, obviously, and this one needs to be gray. This is where my handy dandy little gray marker comes into play. This is just a mild liner marker. You don't have to have these, just a gray marker. This is specifically, obviously this video is specifically for passion planner, but you can apply this to whatever planner you use. Okay, so I'm matching it up to the boxes, so I will be filling this guy in. And for this guy, because the back of passion planner does come with these pages, okay, these white blank pages. I already cut some pieces out, and I made myself these little rectangles, which I put the pieces on there and I would fold over, trying the best way I can fit that little square. I made two just to be safe, but that will go there, and that will be my new 31st. And then I'll be using the whiteout to cover up all the numbers, and then with my black super fine marker I will be putting in the new numbers. Again, you don't have to be using this micron so-and-so, just anything that will put in your new number dates. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is what I've done thus far. I didn't realize that by putting the extra you were going to see it, but it's not a big deal. You could do the whiteout underneath for the 1 and the Happy New Year's Day, but I don't think it's a big deal for me. And then here's my little patch. So it's going to work great. It's not perfect. I don't think it's going to be perfect, but it's going to work for me. Now let's go ahead and white out all these dates, and then this is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, which obviously won't be there. So I'm just going to go over and redo or cover up the old numbers. Alright, so that's what it looks like. This thing, I was having a harder time doing it, and I think it's just because I was trying to record and do it, and I'm left-handed, and I think these are primarily designed for right-handed people, but it looks really good. Now the last thing I will be doing is I will be using either this marker or a different marker to kind of highlight the tops and then put the numbers in, because I want it to look, let me show you, like that. See how I did the numbers? but I'm not sure if I wanted to keep it, oh great, I lost my spot. I'm not sure if I want to keep it gray or if I want to do a different color, but I will go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you guys what it will look like at the end, and you let me know in the comments if you approve or not. And there you have it. I opted for a thicker, this is like a gel pen to put the numbers in, because I don't know if you can tell, you can see the whiteout. You know, the marker didn't really do that good of a job covering that up, but you can't see the numbers underneath, and that's the whole point of this. I know it's not the most beautiful cover-up job. I'm sure you could do stickers, purchase stickers, but if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I try working with what I have. I try not spending as much money, and these are items that I could keep using. It's not like a one-time use thing. So that's how I like to plan. It works. It's going to work for me. And for me, it's planning is more about like the practicality of it, of actually planning, jotting stuff down. I think that's more of a priority than this looking super pretty, but it works. My dates are in order now, and I'm going to do the same thing for like the weeks. I will be covering up the numbers, filling, redoing that. I'll do the same thing for February. So I really like the way it came out. It reminded me, because I did go obviously with the gray, it reminded me of my November spread, which looked really nice. The lines aren't as crisp because I didn't use a ruler, but it looks great. I just smeared the 15 and the 20 because I don't let the gel pen dry. It's okay. I'll fix that with my jumbo eraser. But this is how I will be bringing my 2019 Passion Planner into the 2020 planner year, if you know what I mean. So I hope you found some sort of inspiration from this. I hope this helps you in some way in your planning stuff. If you have a passion planner that you want to use, and the dates are just not there, the year is just wrong. I mean, these are pricey. So, you know, you want to get your money's worth. I want to get my money's worth. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you found inspiration, some sort of inspiration from this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.